Yo, what's happening, Straw Hat Crew, One Piece family? We back again with another banger. You already know, got another illustration box to open up. Volume 6. Let's get it, family. Let's see if we can get something out of OP13 and see if we can get another hit out of POB03. So don't waste your time. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to it. And the last time we had opened one of these, family, we had a nice hit. We hit a SP from POB3, which is the Trafalgar Law. Beautiful card, beautiful. So let's hope we can hit something else nice again. Promo cards, you see it. OP13, you already know. There they go, OP13, say those for last. And PRB 03, or excuse me, yeah, this is 3. No, pardon me, I keep saying 3. PRB 2, pardon me. PRB 2. And let's get our promo cards out. Bam. Put those to the side. We got our promo cards. Bam, let's get to it. See how our first pack going, PRB02. Let's go, family. And how y'all been doing out there since the news of reprints coming for PRB13? I mean, OP13, keep saying P. Man, this PRB, the OP, well, OP13. And I think it's, what is it, OP13? Is they doing from 10 to 13? Or is it just 13 and then PRB2 or 3? Y'all let me know, put it in the chat, family. Have card, let's go. Ooh, look at this Jinbei. Love this Jinbei card, fire. Nice Jinbei. Light crazy. Nice, see if we get a hit, family. See if we can get us a hit. Ooh, okay. Look at this Rebecca. This Rebecca is clean. Nice Rebecca. Set that to the side. Ooh, no. Come on now. Let's get it. Do we got a hit? Ooh. We got us a hit, family. Nah. This silver.
I'm leaving here with something. You know what I mean? I'm from around the way. I'm leaving with something.
Rely. Oh, hold on. Rayleigh. I say Rely. Old man Rayleigh. I want to say, wouldn't this be Luffy's uncle? I want to say, ain't that Luffy's uncle? But he was with his father. So we have a Rayleigh. Oh, this is a beautiful card. Beautiful card, family. I'm really liking this. I'm going to look this up real fast. Because I want to say, this is nice, y'all. First pack magic. Come on, baby. Let's go. This is nice right there. Y'all check that out while I'm looking this up real quick. Y'all let me know. That's nice. This Rayleigh is fire. Okay. That was nice. PRB2. All right, I'm gonna put that to the side real quick. We'll come back to that. I'll look that up. And this buggy is clean too, y'all. Clean buggy, nice buggy. Okay, so first pack we have, this is nice, man. I really like this. This is a fire character card, y'all. Beautiful artwork, detail. Let's go with the second pack. So you want to be kind of delicate when you're opening these packs. You don't want to mess up and tear up your card. Okay. Let's get to it. But to do it. Ooh, look at that Kobe. That Kobe, nice. Okay. Ooh, this Brook is clean. Part of the Straw Hat Crew. Nice, okay. So really nothing in there, just some alt tarps and this white snake. This Sanji is clean. I like that Sanji. So that's nice right there. I'm gonna put that down there. Place that over there. And What did I just do with this? Oh, okay. Making sure we got everything right. All right, let's go to OP13. See if we can pull us a hit, family. Beautiful, beautiful. See if we can get us a hit. Let's go. See if we can get us a hit, family. A little bit dry spell on 13, but that's okay. I'll do for a hit. Ooh, I like that gold D Rogers right there. That's clean. That's real clean. Put that down there. Got this Sanji and Shepherd Peter. Alright, so nothing in that pack. Alright, let's see if we get something. Last pack magic, family. Let's go. Let's get it, let's get it. Last pack magic. See if we get something decent, Ooh, look at that jewelry Bonnie. Nice. Okay, that Jinbei. I like this Jinbei. Ooh, okay. Put that. Oh! Yo! Yeah, right, we just... Let's go! Let's go! We just pulled a wanted poster. Woo! We pulled.
What's going on? Doctor? I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done. Take me out.
Pulled an ace. Let's go! Woo! Let's go, baby! We pulled an ace! Oh, that's what I'm talking about, baby! All about the you! Next year we win the chip! Shout out to my boy Bill, you already know, baby! All about the you. Hold on, salute to the big homie Corey. Once again, my dog speaking to the existence. We just talked about this, and look to your boy pulled the wanted poster. Let's go, baby! We gotta. Let me get a sleeve. Hold on, man. I gotta get your boy a sleeve. I'm gonna crack one open because I gotta get the other ones. That's crazy, fam. We just pulled. Woo! Had to hit him with the woo.
Boys, I got the whole world woo, in my arms. Yeah.
Woo! The Ric Flair out this month, man. For real. I'm trying to get this open. Sleeve that up. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, snap, family. We out here on a high spree. I'm trying to get this sleeves open. Grab a sleeve. Hold on, y'all. That's wow. I can't, whoa. That's wild, bro. That's wild, yo. We're gonna sleeve that up real quick. That's crazy. We pulled the wanted D alive. Let's go. And listen, 13. And we just pulled this Old Man Rayleigh from PRBO2. Ooh, drop that. We're gonna sleeve that up. Let's stop playing. That's crazy. And I'm gonna get another better sleeve to get that up. But we pulled the Shanks. I mean, not the Shanks, we pulled Ace, Luffy's brother. All right, and then we got this Old Man Rayleigh. About to sleeve that up. Let's get it. Let's go, let's go. That's what's up, man. Back to back, hit after hit. Let's get it. And I'm gonna put this, you know, we gotta put that in the top loader too. Put that thing in a top loader. So let's get it. Got up in there. Balls. I'll just get a top load for that. So all right, family. Straw Hat Crew, we just did it again. Mr. Pull Your Chase card. Once again, you already know, from the Pokemon side to the One Piece side. Let's go. And I appreciate all the love and support from the One Piece crew and the whole TGC family. Salute. Thank y'all once again for tuning in. Let's see if we get another one. And hit that like, share, and subscribe on the next time, y'all. Let's go after that One Piece like Luffy and them. You dig? Peace.